Hi, I'm Robert Hannon,
And I'm Jessica Hannon.
and we send two of our girls to the Augustine Academy. Clara attends second grade, and Elizabeth attends kindergarten.
We really love the Augustine Academy. A couple of the reasons. The first one being I have just loved the rich curriculum. I've seen my children's love of learning really grow and deepen. The other one is the home days, and the home days allow first for, I believe, just more family time. And then the other is I just like being involved in my children's education, really seeing what they're learning, how they're learning it. The staff and the teachers are just wonderful. They really have our children's best interest at heart.
And there are a lot of great ways to get involved and be a part of the community. As dads, there are Bible studies and hikes that we go on, and as ladies, there are book clubs and gatherings as well. And then as a whole school, there are outings where we can further our relationships and just really become a deeply rooted community. If you'd like more information about the Augustine Academy, I'd invite you to take a look at their website. If there's an open house available, I'd highly encourage you to check out the open house. Or if you know an Augustine Academy family, chat with them and just get a little extra information. We are more than happy to share about how much we love the school.